Ano daw ang magandang laman o nilalaman ng mga insurance kung kukunin? Hi there, this is Chinkitan. I would like to answer that. Number one, kailangan po definitely may protection about your life. That's number one. Number two, yung tinatawag na personal accident insurance. Just in case something happens to you, double the money. Kunyari, ang 1 million coverage, magiging 2 million by accident. Number 3, ang importante rin po yung tinatawag na VUL, yung may investment pa. That's magandang ano rin siya, insurance siya. Meron na siyang protection, may insurance pa. And number 4, ito yung pinaka-importante na hindi siguro aware ng karamihan, yung critical illness fund. Yung critical illness component, just in case na ma-diagnose ka with a critical illness, kahit buhay ka pa, yung face amount, no, ibibigay na agad sa'yo. So, 4 yan. Again, insurance, investment, tapos yung personal accident, and yung critical illness. Yun yung 4 na hanapin niyo po.